Yes.
Make sure to buckle the safety belt under your
Victory is
Again,
mine.
Please be careful stepping into the train and do not attempt to step between the vehicles. Remember, cell phones are not permitted to be used on this ride at any time. Be careful stepping into the train and do not attempt to step between the vehicles. Remember, cell phones are not permitted to be used on this ride at any time. Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside your hovercraft at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on the Wild Whizzer.
Hold on, here we go. Sometimes because this is the wildest ride.
Woohoo! Ninja go! I know someone else who also wants to go home. Whoa! Oh yeah, this is a good one. Yeah! One more time around the block. That was so worth the $3 I used on parking.
How was that ride? Please remain seated until your hovercraft comes to a complete stop and your vehicle is rotated for unloading. We will then release your lap bar. Please unbuckle your safety belt. Carefully step over the side of the vehicle and exit at the center of the station on the same side you entered. Don't forget any personal belongings. Once again, the exit is on the same side you entered at the center of the station. Please watch your step and walk to the exit. Thank you for riding the Wild Whizzer and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.
Was that worth it?
Yes. Thank you.
Do you put somewhere? Yeah,
YouTube, Instagram, TikTok.
Thank you very much.
One.
You go for theme parks. Yeah.